Hey, what's up guys and welcome to Ultra's Crypto channel. We'll go to destination for all things cryptocurrency. In this exciting video, we'll be diving deep into this wonderful project. But remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is purely for education and entertainment. So guys, do your own research and consult the experts. Before we start, smash that subscribe button, drop a like and fire up those comments. See you after the intro. So guys, welcome to Bonsai Swap, your gateway to the future of decentralized finance on the Polygon ZK EVM network. In today's video, we're diving deep into this groundbreaking platform and trust us, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. In the world of cryptocurrency, there's a game changer you need to know about: Bonsai Swap. In the interface we find white paper, getbook, FAQ and coming soon section. That means the token will be available tomorrow. Don't miss up this opportunity guys and buy this wonderful token. We have 0.017 the price of the pre-sale and 0.02 the listing price. What is Bonsai Swap? It's built on the powerful Uniswap V3 technology. Bonsai Swap isn't your average exchange. They've taken it a step further. With Bonsai Swap, you can not only swap cryptocurrency efficiently but also pull liquidity to earn crypto. But here's the kicker: Bonsai Swap is the first decentralized exchange designed exclusively for Polygon ZK EVM. This means faster transaction, lower costs, and a seamless experience for all crypto enthusiasts. So if you're into cryptocurrency, Bonsai Swap is a must-check out platform. Now guys, let's talk about the advantages of using Polygon ZK EVM with Bonsai Swap. There are some fantastic benefits you need to know. First up, cost. Bonsai Swap leverages ZK proofs to drastically reduce transaction costs. It's a game changer for serious trader. And it doesn't stop here. Bonsai Swap uses a Polygon Zero technology, delivers the fastest ZK proof in the world. If you guys worried about code change, fear not. Deploying onto EVM with Bonsai Swap require no change to your existing code. And this security is a top priority. Bonsai Swap inherits Ethereum's top-notch security and adds an extra layer of protection with L2 batching for efficient scaling. Plus guys, you maintain 100% ownership of your crypto assets. Bonsai Swap doesn't hold your funds, giving you full control. And here's the game changer: you can now trade with layer 1 tokens faster and cheaper than even before. Bonsai Swap's tool make everything easier and faster. And now guys, meet Akadama, often referred to as AKD. It's the core token within the Bonsai Swap ecosystem. Users can earn AKD by participating in staking pools or by purchasing it on the exchange. By holding AKD guys, you play a vital role in supporting and maintaining the Bonsai Swap ecosystem, ensuring its stability and growth. So guys, join the ecosystem today and be a part of Bonsai Swap journey toward a decentralized future. Now let's take a sneak peek into Bonsai Swap's roadmap for the upcoming years. You won't believe what they have in store, guys. In early Q3 of 2023, something big is happening. The Academicum launch. This is a pivotal moment in their journey and is just the beginning, guys. Moving into Q3 of 2023, get ready for the official launch of the Bonsai Swap platform. It's your chance, guys, to start swapping assets and providing liquidity. Late Q3 of 2023 is packed with excitement. IKD and NFT airdrops are coming your way. They're giving back to the community, and guess what? An NFT marketplace will be available. Looking ahead to 2024, get ready for a whirlwind of new earn AKD and fees, dive into lotteries, production markets, and NFT based game. Stay tuned for more updates on the development of the Bonsai Swap platform and the growth of the academic ecosystem. Be a part of the revolution as we cultivate a novel form of decentralized finance. So finally, thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all things Bonsai Swap. See you in the future of decentralized finance.